Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting updated on Dennis Rader, the BTK Killer. After decades behind bars, many want to know, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Dennis Lynn Rader, aka the BTK Killer, standing for Bind, Torture, Kill, is a convicted serial killer from Wichita, Kansas. Between 1974 and 1991, he murdered 10 people, all while maintaining a double life as a husband, father, church volunteer, and community member. He evaded arrest until 2005, when he was caught thanks in part to DNA evidence and digital clues. In June 2005, Rader pled guilty to those 10 murders and was sentenced to 10 consecutive life sentences, a minimum of 175 years in prison. Since then, he's been incarcerated, and over the years there have been occasional ongoing investigations into whether he might be connected to other unsolved cases. Where is Dennis Rader now? As of now, Dennis Rader is still incarcerated. He is serving his sentence at the El Dorado Correctional Facility in Kansas. Reports describe him as older, frail, and in a wheelchair. He's restricted heavily in prison, including limited time outside his cell, 1 hour a day, 5 days a week, for exercise and showers. His daughter visited him for the first time in many years to help investigators look into cold cases that might be connected to him. Dennis Rader's story is one of evil hidden in plain sight. Even now, decades after his crimes and conviction, he remains behind bars, trying to reconcile with those dark chapters. His name still sends shivers not just for what he did, but for how long he hid it, and how rare it is in crime history that someone so heinous faces full consequences.